Hi, this is something I call cat reader. This is a reader for chips that are sometimes inserted into animals. Animal reader. It has two problems. Well, you might or might not know, but I sometimes care for some stray cats, and sometimes I need to check if it's just an outside cat that has an owner, or if it's a stray cat. So I bought this reader a long time ago, actually. Its problems. First problem is that, as you can hear, it makes sounds, and some cats are scared by those sounds. And the second problem is that this button is too easy to press accidentally when it's in my backpack. So, to solve the button problem, I want to add a washer here. Just glue a washer. No big deal, I will just glue it here. And to solve the sound problem, those are the screws I removed from it already. And to solve the sound problem, let me show you what's inside. We will switch to a closer, maybe not macro, or maybe macro. Yeah, let me open it. So, this is the reader. On the other side of the board you can see, not much actually, just a battery, some coil, that's it, and the charging port. This is and actually it has some place for a Bluetooth module. Okay, let me zoom down and I will show you what I want to do. Well, I hope it's visible now. This is the sound transducer. There is some diode here or something. There is a transistor with its resistor. And what I want to do, I don't want to remove it because I will lose it for sure. And this is a place for a Bluetooth module, probably. I will lose it for sure. So I want to just remove this resistor, put it in parallel between the collector and the emitter, or the base and the emitter, or the gate and the drain. I don't know if it's a MOSFET or a bipolar transistor. And that's it. Well, just a short video, but you might be, I don't know, maybe interested. I will show you when it's done. Or actually, you know what, let's do it together. It's not the most convenient position for me, but I think I will manage. And this chip doesn't have a marking. Right, soldering gun is warm. I will add, hope you can see it, I will add some more solder here. I didn't remove the battery. I should remove the battery, but well, I will be careful not to short anything. And I'm adding solder to increase the thermal mass, so I will be able to desolder the resistor more easily like this. Yeah, and then let's not lose this resistor. Let's put it here. I don't want to leave the base of the gate floating. Okay, right now I don't see anything, but yeah, because I can't, or maybe I will try to use my light with a loop. Yeah, somewhat better. Still not the most convenient position, but there's too much solder here. Okay. I will review the video later, and I don't know if I will pause this part. I will see if you could see anything. And well, I should add some flux, but I will add just a solder with flux. Maybe this tip is too large for that, but it's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. But you can see some solder splattered here on the solder mask. It's good to remove it, otherwise it can float around and cause trouble. Well, not the most perfect soldering I ever did. Does it work? Yeah, and there is no sound, as you can see. Oh no, you cannot see the display. Yeah, but while I'm pressing the button and there is no sound. Okay, that's it. maybe I will show you, I don't know, maybe I could just show you a close-up. It's nothing interesting really, but here it is. Okay, thanks for watching.